Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my first tutorial for my LBeads product that I received. I mentioned it in my unboxing that I received all this product. It was around $35 worth, and all I have to do was an unboxing and 2 tutorials. So this is my first tutorial. I received these items along with a few other sequin pieces. And so I'm going to do my first tutorial using the beads, and then I will do something with the sequin mixes that I have. So this is what we're going to create today, and it's just a little charm. You can put it on your purse, your wallet, whatever you wish. You could put it on a keychain, like I have this Michael's keychain, and I thought it'd be cute just to dangle it off, just to add a little bit more bling to them. And it kind of looks like little ponytails. So if I if I put it on both sides, it would look like he had little pigtails, but or she. So we're going to create these here. We'll create one of them. So I kind of like it with the split ring, but I do have the lobster clasp there. And all I'm going to do is just take some wire. You only need about 3 inches, if that. And let's just give it a little straighten out. Give it a little cut. It's probably too much. There we go. Okay, so we start with this wire, and all I'm going to do is put my palm up, and I'm going to slide this in. And this is usually where I like to do my ring that I'm going to do, my loop. And you just have it so that it's not touching or that you can't feel it. And all I'm going to do is rotate my palm towards me. And I like to do pressure, counter pressure. So I'm pushing against that wire, and I just rotate until it touches. And then I'm going to go through, and you can see that there's my loop there, but it's not straight. So what I like to do is go back in. And then all I'm going to do is turn it towards the direction I need it to straighten out. And then you have your bead or your loop like so. So that just straightens it out. So what I would gonna do is I'm going to put a little heart on the bottom. So I'm just going to rotate that open a little bit. My heart on. And then just give it a little close. You will need wires or pliers and that for your wire making, charm making. And then that's it for just the bottom piece. And then all I'm going to do is just add little tiny spacer beads and a couple of the beads as we go along. So I'm just going to add a little gold spacer bead. Then I'm going to add the bigger bead, another spacer, just to give it a little bit more so that it's not so much pink. It's going to have some gold in it, like so. And then move on to the next bead. Isn't that bead adorable? I just love how it sparkles. And then go for another spacer bead. I don't like that one. I need a bigger one. Let's get this one here. Like that. Let's do a heart. And we could do the pink heart, but I kind of like the light pink. So that's that. So we go from there, add another spacer bead like that, and I'm gonna cut it from here. There we go. Again, I'm just going to make another loop. So again, my palm is going to be up right around the edge there so you don't feel it. And then I'm just going to push with this finger, and I'm just going to rotate all the way over until my palm's down, until the other end touches the wire. So you can see there, and then you can see that the loop is more over to the left side. So I'm going to rotate it so that it's in the center. So I'm just going to put that piece back in, rotate it a little bit, and it's like that. Now you can see that it is open a little bit, but I want it open so that I can add this bead to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the little wire that I cut off, so that piece there, and we're going to do the exact same thing till it touches, slide that back through and back over, so then you have that type of loop. Actually going to put a gold spacer bead, pink bead, and another gold spacer bead. So you can see that that's going to be too long for me. I like it a little bit shorter than that, just to make my loop. So like that. And again, we're going to do the same thing. So with this charm, you'll get really good at making these loops. Rotate around. And all you have to do, if you can't rotate all that much, you just open it and then turn it again until it reaches to the point where you want. Turn it, because now it's over to that side too much. Put that back in and open it that way. Okay, so now we have our 2 loops on the end, and we're going to just add that onto this bead. There we go. So that's added on. And all I'm going to do is just pinch it closed a little bit. And there we go. So that is that connection. And I like that it has a little bit of a space in there. So that makes it really cute. And then if your loop is big enough, that will depend on the loop or the ring that you can fit in there. So this one is probably going to be too thick. So I'm going to try this one. There we go. So then that just dangles, and there you go. And that's all you have to do. So you can add this on anything, really. I have a feather bookmark, so we can add that onto a feather bookmark. So that's like so. And then we can just, it's pretty easy to open these ones up. Go like that, add that on. That is your bookmark charm. And as I mentioned, you can do several different things. So you have keychain, purse, bookmark. So you can use it in a variety of different things. If you like your earrings like that, you can wear them as earrings. And so that would be my first tutorial for LBeads. And again, I'll put all the information below for all the product that I received. And I received 10 pieces for the $35 at no charge. And all I had to do was just share with you the unboxing and 2 tutorials. So the next tutorial will become over the next few days. But I hope you enjoyed what I shared with you. Bye, guys.